Second point is the 17. So again, it is the mind that you always think the I am ignorant. I know nothing. I know nothing. I'm ignorant, like a newborn baby. You know that it is here they said that ignorance is bliss. The bliss in the sense here, this here is the bliss. That if you think that I know nothing, I'm just ignorant, then all the pressure of the mind goes away. This is also a very important point that when a lot of things happen to the mind and mind becomes heavier and a lot of stress develops, that time you just do murakaba, meditation and think that I am ignorant, I know nothing. Control five senses. As I said, the mind destroys through the senses: ear, eyes, nose, mouth, everything. So, brain, so mind destroys through the senses. So, you have to protect your heart, you have to control your senses. Without protecting the senses, it is not possible to protect the heart. So heart mostly destroys by senses. So when, and also it's a big problem sometimes when the heart is too clean, no, it takes more impact of the senses. Child, very small things they can start crying, and also some people it says that those who becomes very quick in anger, who takes instant reaction, and those people hearts at times very pure and clean. So it is so clean that everything goes, they see or watch or observe, immediately impact the heart. But here is the point: if you have more iman in the heart, and you will take less impact from the materialistic world. So both the points are very interesting. That clean heart takes the impact, but when there is enough iman in the heart, it will start taking less impact. So this is important thing. So detach the mind, try to ignore and stop thinking. Many thoughts will come, try to ignore and stop thinking. Switch off the mind, do not overburden the mind. Switch off the mind when you enter at home, switch off from the world. Now think of about how what is happening at home. Children's education, their wellness, well-being, family needs, wife needs, whatever you have to think that for the families. Try to switch off the mind. Those who have learned this technique that they can switch off the mind, they're very successful people. Also, I often say in the priorities, if you don't switch off your mind from one priority to another, then the next priority will suffer because of the previous priority. No, switch off from the previous priority. Now you are on the another priority. Work on that. Work on that. So don't think or don't do anything. Like switch off from everything. Like you are going for a walk, you just walk. So switch off from everything, mind relax and just walk. So switch off the mind is a very important subject in to control the mind. With this technique also, one has to learn. They learn how to switch off the mind. So this is one point is very important, and also do not overburden the mind. So switch off the mind. You have to learn it.